Hey, what up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to unzip files on your Android device. What you need to go do is go to the Play Store and then click RAR and then just click install. Once it's done installing, just click open and click allow. And let's see, you go to, I have some RAR files in here. To unzip, you just click on them and then let's see, no. Okay, right here where it says just hold it and then it's going to tell you extract here or extract files, so I'm just going to click extract here. And then you're going to get an ad. Don't click on it, just close it out. And then once it's done, see that folder is right here. It's done, ready to go. And I hope this video helped out. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.